Alright guys, so today I'm going to do a little preview of the next unit, our unit 4, for you, so you get a little bit of an idea of what we're going to be learning in this next unit. So what we are going to be focusing on is standard algorithm multiplication and division. So I'm going to show you what standard algorithm multiplication looks like right here. For some of you it may look really familiar and you may know how to do it. If not, no big deal, that's what we're going to be learning. Alright, so let me just zoom in a tiny bit. Okay, so here we have 23 times 45. So what we want to do is take each place value at a time. So first we want to go from 5 to 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to put the 5 down and carry that 1 for 15. Okay, now 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 1 that we just carried gives us 11. So technically 23 times 5 is 115. Okay, so now we go down to the next line to begin multiplying from the 4. So last time we multiplied from the 5, now we need to multiply from the 4. So we need to move down here, but we need to put a placeholder here. We're going to put a 0 underneath that 5. All right, so now 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to put the 2 here and then carry the 1 again. Okay, we're going to cross off that 1 because we're not using that one anymore. You're going to carry the 1. So then 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 1 is 9. So we put our 9 there. Now all we have to do is add these two numbers together. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 9 is 10. So the answer for 23 times 45 is 1035. So that is standard algorithm for multiplication. All right, so now I'm going to show you standard algorithm for division. So here we have 259 divided by 12. So the way that I like to do this is I actually like to cover up my numbers when I'm doing long division. So the first thing you want to think, you want to cover up all the numbers except for the number that's right next to our divisor out here. So in this case it would be the number in the hundreds. So can 12 go into 2? No. Okay, I'm going to move it out one more. Can 12 go into 25? Yes, it can, but how many times can it go into 25? 12 times 2 is 24, so that tells me that 12 can go into 25 twice. So I am going to put the 2 right above that 5 because that represents 12 being able to go into 25 twice, okay? And then 12 times 2 is 24. So then I'm going to subtract. This looks pretty familiar to the method we use for turning improper fractions into mixed numbers, so it should look a little familiar to most of you. 25 minus 24 is 1. All right, so our problem is not finished because we still have another number here to work with. Okay, so now we have 1. 12 can't go into 1, so we're going to bring this 9 down. Can 12 fit into 19? Yes, it can. It can fit into 19 one time. 12 times 1 is 12. Okay, subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. So now we have a 7 left over. 12 can't fit into 7, and there's no other numbers to bring down. So 7 becomes our remainder. So we put up here 21 remainder 7, and that is our answer. Okay, so that is the standard algorithm for division. All right, this was just a little preview to give you an idea of what was coming up. You can go ahead and practice these on your own. You can also find other YouTube videos if you just type in standard algorithm division or standard algorithm multiplication. You'll find a ton of videos to give you more of an idea of what we're going to be doing. You can practice these, but we are going to be learning it starting tomorrow. All right, thanks.